Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly important: oral hygiene. Have you ever wondered why it's so crucial to take care of your teeth and gums? Well, we're about to find out. So, let's jump right in. First and foremost, maintaining oral health is vital because it helps prevent tooth decay and gum diseases. By practicing good oral hygiene, you're removing plaque and bacteria that can cause cavities and gum infections. This means fewer trips to the dentist and more smiles on your face. Additionally, a healthy mouth leads to a healthy body. Did you know that poor oral hygiene has been linked to serious conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even respiratory issues? Taking care of your teeth and gums can actually help safeguard your overall well-being. Now, let's discuss some simple habits to maintain oral health. Brushing your teeth twice a day, using fluoride toothpaste, is a great start. Don't rush it. Spend at least 2 minutes in front of the mirror, paying careful attention to each tooth. And don't forget to clean your tongue too. Next up, flossing. The good old dental floss. This thin thread plays a crucial role in removing food particles stuck between your teeth, places that your toothbrush can't reach. Incorporating flossing into your daily routine will keep your pearly whites in top-notch condition. Last but not least, regular visits to your dentist are a must. They can spot issues early on and provide professional cleanings, ensuring your oral health is always on point. Remember, prevention is key. So, there you have it, the ultimate guide to maintaining oral health. By practicing good oral hygiene, you'll not only save yourself from potential dental problems, but also contribute to your overall well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.